one extra thing when this is the bit that people are.
That's sneaky as hell. I love
Sneaky as
that.
hell. Yeah. What that means is it's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's really.
That is insane. I would never have thought that.
Yeah. This.
That's so. Oh
this
my god, that's so
absolutely-
clever.
Magician's up so bad.
That's so clever.
We're doing this one a bit different. We're going to do it handheld. To kind of give you a sort of realer feeling of how this effect looks because it's so impossible. Kaylee, I'm going to hand you the deck in a minute. You're going to take it under the table. Well, actually, let's just do it like this. Take the deck. I'm going to swap hands. Here we go. Whoa. Take the deck. Hide it under the table.
Okay.
Got it?
Hang on. Yeah.
And take the deck. Cut it any way you like.
Yeah.
And turn that half face up on top of the deck.
On top of it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, happy?
Yeah.
So you'll if you look carefully into the table, I'm not going to look, you'll see a face-up card, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Take that card and hide it somewhere. So sit on it or put it face down on the floor, anything you want to do.
Okay.
Okay?
I don't want to bend it. Yeah.
Yeah, don't bend it, I'll cry.
Yeah, I know.
And now correct the deck. If you want, I don't want to see anything. Good.
Yep.
Yeah, and now give him a shuffle. Shuffle. Yeah,
Okay. My tongue's coming out.
okay, well, you can bring him up if
Finding
you
it
want to,
difficult.
but just so everyone knows, I'm not peeking. I'm not doing anything. Kaylee's just shuffling the deck, so shuffle. Shuffle some more.
I'm not very good at this. It's
Oh,
alright, actually.
Yeah, that's pretty good, actually. You take the camera. I'm going to swap now.
I love the camera.
Thank you. So,
Yeah.
here's what's happened. Kaylee's taken the deck under the table, took one card out, hidden it somewhere on her. Do you remember what the card is?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. And then shuffled the deck.
Mm-hmm.
If any magicians are watching at home, try to do that yourself. What's about to happen? Take a deck, cut it, take a card out, shuffle it up, and then try and do this. There's now 51 cards in this deck, Kale.
Yeah.
I'm going to try as fast as I can to memorize every single card in here.
Okay.
And if I can do it quick enough, I should be able to work out the card that's missing.
Okay.
All right,
Yeah.
Ugh.
Let's see then.
let's have a look. Okay.
I'd be amazed if you get this right.
Oh, this is genuinely so difficult. Okay. This was a red card.
Yeah.
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 This was a heart because I count 12 hearts in that deck.
Yeah.
So I counted 12 hearts,
Mm-hmm.
and then I counted a 3 of diamonds, a 3 of clubs, a 3 of spades, and I can't find that 3 of hearts anywhere in there. Let's have a look. Kale, what card did you take out of the deck?
The 3 hearts.
Did I get...
That's
Whoa.
nuts. How did you do that?
Whoa.
How did you do that?
That's
That's
I'll flip the
hard.
camera around. Maybe this can work.
Okay.
Yeah. So that think about that, Kale, from anyone's point of view, from a magician's point of view, spectator's point of view. Cut the deck, take a card out. I do not peek. That's done under the table,
And that was seconds. You looked at it for seconds.
and then you
it wasn't in
shuffle
stack.
the entire deck, so that there's no stack.
Well, there wasn't stack because I know some of it.
Yeah. You shuffle the entire deck, and I literally clocked it and figured out the card that was gone. It was
That's
hard
really
to do
impossible.
mentally, but
That's really impossible. I'm fooled.
hands up fooled.
Yeah. That's annoying.
It's such a good piece of magic when you think about.
It's really simple, and I love that about it. It's really simple.
That's the
It's so
actual,
effective.
that's the actual beautiful thing about it. The method is quite simple as well. So here's the thing. Wait there, fooled?
Yeah.
Like badly
5.
fooled. I hope magicians out there, if you don't know what this is, I think you'll be fooled as well. Entertainment? I know you don't like card tricks, so it's a tricky one to judge.
About 4, but it was impressive.
And I didn't do it very much justice in terms of... The thing with this is you could really build this up like a Rain Man type thing. You could really, go to town on the presentation because this is pretty hard. This doesn't really go wrong. It's 100% surefire.
But you didn't know what card I was picking.
No. So you've done so Fuller, big time?
Yeah, 100%. I have 5.
And what about marks for entertainment?
Yeah, but give it a 4.
4. I did a bare bones, completely bare bones.
It was simple, but it was effective. The outcome was effective.
But here's the thing. I want to do something different today.
Okay.
I'm going to show Kaylee the method. You're going to see me teach Kaylee the method.
Yay.
And then I want you to mark it for creativity and bonus points after you see the method. Because I think you're going to lose your beep when you see it. All right?
Yeah, okay.
So I'm going to teach Kaylee the method right now. You're going to see me do it.
Cool.
So this is how it works, okay?
Yeah. Let's do it.
But genuinely, because...
So sneaky. But I checked.
But there's one extra thing.
Okay.
There's one extra thing when this is the bit that... people...
That's sneaky as hell. I know.
Sneaky as hell. Yeah. What that means is... It's good, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's really...
That is insane.
Isn't that...
I would never have thought that.
Yeah. This...
That's so... Oh my
this
god, that's so
absolutely-
clever.
Magician's up so bad.
That's so clever.
Isn't that crazy? Isn't that actually like what the WTF?
Yeah. But you can't get that wrong.
Nope. That's it. Well, so quickly then. Now that you've seen the method,
Yeah.
marks for creativity.
Oh my god, 5, 100%. 5. Easy.
Isn't that
That's
the craziest method?
If you'd have asked me before showing me that method, I probably would have said 4.
Yeah.
Because
Now-
it was
now
just
you
to
see
find
that,
a card
you're like-
and you think, you expect magicians to be able to find your card. You just expect that.
Yeah.
But you don't expect that
Yeah,
method.
you don't expect that. You do not expect that.
No, not at all.
Bonus point.
Yeah, 100%.
Bonus?
Point, yeah. So creative, so clever. And from a magician's point of view, I'm not a magician, but from your point of view, you can't get that wrong. So
No, that's 100% surefire. It's so... Well, yeah,
That's-
no, it's pretty damn easy.
it's easy to do.
It's really easy to do. It's really easy to do. But think about it like from terms of just the general appearance of it. Deck is taken under the table, a card's taken out, and the deck's shuffled.
Yeah. It's the shuffling part that throws everything off.
Here's the thing, though. I think you could perform this on me. I think you could perform this on me. Do you think?
Yeah, I could do that. Easy.
Do you think?
I mean, I'm not a performer.
This is a bit.
The method, I could do that. Use the method.
So this isn't. Well, we're gonna try. I'll do a deal.
What? Don't ask me to perform it.
If you. This could be the first trick you see Kaylee perform on me. If you're
I wish I'd never said
I will.
could do
I'm on a diet right now. If you perform this on me
Yeah.
and you get it right, I will genuinely, and I hate breaking my diet, but I'll genuinely take you out for a lovely breakfast right now.
No.
I will genuinely take you out, but you got to get it right. I think you could do it.
I could use the method. My
You gotta perform
performance
it.
is
You
gonna
gotta
be rubbish. Oh my god, guys, you are just about to witness
You gonna do it?
something horrific.
You're gonna go for it.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, of course I am. When breakfast, mate.
You gotta go for it though. You gotta
I'll go for it.
go for it.
I'll go for it. Okay, let me
Just
set
so
my
everyone knows,
trick up.
just so everyone knows at home, this is not set up in any way. We don't. I don't know what tricks I'm going to perform.
You will
on
realise.
these episodes until the morning of usually.
You will realise when I start performing, it's not set up. I can't believe you get me to perform.
But you have to get it right. If you get it wrong, that is the stake on the line.
Oh, my stomach just went.
All right, here we go. Ready?
I don't know what to do.
Well, you got to perform it to me.
Well, I don't know. How's it performed?
Do you remember what happened?
Yeah. So. Oh god. Here we go.
You have to genuinely go for this.
Okay. So what I want you to do, I want you to take the deck, and I want you to take it under the table,
Okay.
and I want you to cut the deck anywhere, turn it over,
Yeah.
and there'll be a face-up card on top of that deck. I want you to look at it, take it off the top of the deck and hide it somewhere where I can't see it at all.
Okay, I'm gonna just like put it between my crotch because I don't want to sit on the card. It's face down, and I remember.
Okay, now what I want you to do is I want you to correct the deck. So make all the face-up cards, turn them back over on top of that deck.
Okay.
And once you've done that, are you done?
Mm-hmm.
Shuffle.
Okay, sure.
Shuffle as much as you want. Much as you want. You can bring the deck up. I can't
No, I'm not
see.
going to bring the deck
Okay. Oh, gosh. I'm so sorry. This is a horrific
I'm just doing
performance.
I'm properly shuffling it.
Oh, no. Don't make it hard. Please.
Okay, now we have a shuffle.
Okay, so you can shuffle. You can do cuts and completes. You can do whatever you want with it. Right now, it's my turn to mess this up.
Oh my god! If you get this, I'll be right. Go.
Okay, so
I'm not giving you any hints, tips, or anything in advance.
I am going to attempt to find your card by memorising the deck, spreading it out, quickly glancing over it, memorising it, having a look and seeing if I can figure out your card.
Okay.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay. Oh no. Okay. Okay. I'm done. I think I'm done.
Are you? I am genuinely nervous right now. Do you know? Okay.
I actually think I've got your card.
If I don't think you've got it. If you get this right now, I am going to be so proud of you.
Okay.
Honest to
Oh,
God.
the
Right.
pressure
Okay,
is
go.
ridiculous.
All right.
Okay. So when I was looking at the deck,
Mm-hmm.
all the red cards are complete. So I know it's not red, it's black. Yeah? You have to tell me.
I don't.
Right.
I don't. I'm actually not gonna say anything.
Okay, so it's definitely a black card. It's not a picture card because those sets were complete. So it's definitely a number. I'm thinking a low number. And I looked around for the 4s and the 5s and they were all complete. And then I looked at the 3s and all I could see was the 3 of hearts, the 3 of diamonds and the 3 of clubs. So yours must be the 3 of spades. Yes! I did it!
I'm genuinely so proud of you.
I totally did that.
I didn't think you were gonna get it.
I did it. I totally did it.
I didn't think.
Well, guys, that was my first performance and it was rubbish.
No, Katie, that's so good.
I can't believe I got that.
That
method is insane.
Really blown away by you doing that.
That
was
method,
amazing.
it was the method.
Well, this is
That's so I could do it instantly. Like I didn't practice that. I didn't know what trick you were doing. I've literally seen you do it, seen the method that you've explained to me, and literally performed it. Like that was it.
I can't.
That proves that the method is really good. It's really workable, and you can literally have that in your back pocket and do it. I could do
I
it.
can't get over. Well,
I'm impressed.
all right. Okay. All right. So for the last time, then, what are the final scores?
Final scores. Entertainment. I have more fun performing it.
Yeah.
I
No.
had more fun performing it,
Yeah.
but seeing it as a layperson, it is impressive for you to be able to have the deck all the time,
Mm-hmm.
shuffle, and do whatever you want with it, and have only taken one card out, and for them to look at it and then flip it back over within seconds, you think,
But
nah.
here's the beautiful thing as well. Like that, you don't need to do this like a memory test effect. What this is a principle that allows you to know any card that's been taken
Yeah.
from the deck. It doesn't even have to be taken out of the deck, actually. I don't think. No, it doesn't. The card doesn't even have to be taken out of the deck for this to work. So
Yeah.
which is quite mind blowing when you think.
Well,
about
yeah, you could. You don't have to.
it. Nope.
Because you could pull it out.
Well, I mean,
You could find it.
what they can genuinely do is they can just look at a card,
Yeah.
turn it back over,
Shuffle it
shuffle
in.
it in. So
Yeah.
you don't have to do the whole memory testing.
No.
Now that principle alone, think about the power of that for any effect. Take
So
the
you
deck.
thought of it. You didn't even take it out. But that to a layperson is really impressive because nobody knows your card except for yourself.
Yeah, exactly. And they don't even have to know it.
No.
Yeah, but yeah. So, but I also do like the fact of just think of a card, okay, turn it back over, shuffle it in.
Mm-hmm.
That.
Insane. That. And for a layperson, I'm saying this because I have a little bit of knowledge, but these are the tricks that you see all the time, and some people do it really well and some people do it really badly, and then but at the end of the day, they're the ones you want magicians to perform on you. You want them to go, all right, I'll find your card, because you want to go, no you won't.
Yeah.
That's what you want. You want them to go, nah, I'm gonna trick you, and I'll get you, and you won't get my card.
So here's the thing, which it pains me to say, but I love him so much. This isn't my trick.
Oh, I'll get it.
This is another Christian Grace banger.
Oh my God, Christian, you're literally frying my brain, mate.
Yeah, this is another Christian Grace trick. Again, this is the third trick or fourth trick that I've taught from his membership.
And they've all
it's
blown
the best
my mind.
Magic Monthly membership in Magic. It's called the Magic Monthly membership. You know that I don't promote a hell of a lot of things. This is why I'm doing the same stuff from the same membership, because it's so good. If anyone wants to learn this plus 20 other tricks are up there already. You just go and sign up. There's a link on the screen here and in the description below. You can learn this principle, a bunch of other effects. It's only like, I don't know, it's the price of like 2 coffees a month. It's ridiculous. And yeah, he's a genius. I love him. I hate him in the best way possible. I only have
Just got me to perform magic from one method.
And the tutorial that I taught you was like 5. It does help that you know a little bit about magic beforehand.
Yeah.
But I mean, Kaylee's effectively a beginner, a layman.
layperson,
Any magicians watching this,
Oh, you'll
have no
get
issues
it.
with it
No,
whatsoever.
no, not at all.
Yeah, so if you do want to know how to perform this and you do want to go off and learn this, then all you need to do is go and check out the link on screen or down below. It's Christian Grace's Magic Monthly. Because we don't teach the methods here on the fuller episodes, or sometimes we do when it's my stuff, but I never teach other people's work because it's not the right thing to do. But we are here every single Tuesday for Tutorial Tuesdays. And just one more thing before we sign off for today. Maxim, the app that you've all been asking about non-stop, we believe the launch date is now 5 days away from today, the 26th of July. So for all the hundreds of you that have been messaging, asking in the Facebook groups and inboxes and YouTube videos, when is it coming out? It looks like it'll be 5 days from now, the 26th of July.
Remember
so
that date.
Thank you all for your patience.
You also
Really
need
excited.
to remember that date. It's our anniversary.
It's also our anniversary, so it's a great day. It's going to be a good day all around, and hopefully everyone will be content. That's it for another episode of Fuller. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I've been Lloyd.
I've been Kaylee.
And we'll see you all next Thursday for another episode of Fuller Tuesday Tutorial Tuesday. Oh, and if you like this video, do us a favour and hit that,
Subscribe button.
because it goes a really long way for both of us.
Thanks, guys.